The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro boasts a battery that's twice the size of the regular model, plus a super rugged design. So it's basically ideal people who love heading off into the wilderness for great outdoor adventure. Meanwhile, if you guys know issues with the size of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you can head over to Samsung official website to pre-order to your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and get a free credit. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a powerful wearable that refines Samsung's smartwatch formula with a stronger build, longer battery life, and a new fitness tracking features. It seems odd that Samsung though would omit a rotating bezel on this version, but that was likely removed to ensure shared design lineage. Whatever, the Watch 5 Pro is sleek, albeit much bigger than the Watch 4 and the Watch 5 models. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has improved scratch resistance on the display, has a sunken-in display as well, and that combination gives you better durability. As we all know, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes with the new durability, like giving us a new titanium build and a sapphire glass for better protection. And this magnetic D buckle straps is absolutely fantastic, snap on and off quickly and easily adjustable as well, and one size fits all. It's got a 45mm face and it's designed for a Samsung, says the great outdoor. That means it's got features like enhanced durability, it's got GPS in for people who go on hiking or run around outside a lot. After using the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, it lasted around 2 full days. Now your usage can be different, but in these 2 days, the GPS was on while hiking. Sleep tracking was also enabled. So if you turn off these features, then you get up to 4 days of battery life on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. In the internal side of things, sticking with the Exynos W920 and 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage, you can use to import GPX file and it gives turn-by-turn navigation. Or you can import and export GPX files onto Samsung Health app on your phone, and then it will be synchronized to your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So if you're a person who just uses for workout and running in the absence of phone, then you should consider Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. One cool feature on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is TrackPack feature. Well, if you are hiking on some areas and you need to go back, Watch 5 Pro will guide you through your path. But if you change your direction while returning, then Galaxy Watch 5 Pro might not work properly. The Watch 5 Pro has a raised bezel to protect the display, Acclaimed 4-day battery life, turn-by-turn direction for custom hiking or trail biking routes, and features that make it clear that this watch was intended to be for a more fitness and sport-oriented crowd. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.